Happy Valentine's Day, everyone! Hi, everyone. My name is Grace. Welcome to gechusworld. Happy Valentine's, everyone! Today, I'm gonna make 2 cards. We need white paper, red paper, and we need some glue, and we need some sugikins, and we need paper flower. My mommy cut this paper for 2 cards. She cut like a rectangle and folded and in the center like a rectangle. See this? See? She made my hand in red paper. Mommy cut the hearts in red paper. See? We need to glue the sugikins on the heart. So I'm gonna get started. So can you open glue for me? I'm gonna put the glue in the heart. Hold the heart. Some glue. Now let me put the sugikins. Silver. Now put in the heart. See at my heart, everyone? It's just cute. See? Now I'm gonna glue the heart and the hand. So let's get started. So, I'm gonna put glue a little top. Now let's get started to glue it. Ooh. See, right in the center. Glue it. Do the nails first, then the down. Now let me put the heart in the card. Put it there. Look, everyone. Let me glue the hearts. Now glue it. The heart in the card. There. Do the other heart. That's working away. The glue. The last one. The glue. Here. Now let's put the flowers. Glue that under. Stick the flower in the heart. Now, there. Let's put for the last one. Look, everyone. It's a cute. See? Let me put golden. Oh yeah. There. Let's put some snippets over here. See? Oh, it's already one. Just gonna do this side. I'm going to draw. Friends, you all make a Valentine's card for your teachers and friends. And for lunch tomorrow, I'm gonna eat pepperoni pizza, and for snack, I'm gonna eat ice cream. All the best. Bye, everyone. Thank you for watching my channel. I love you all. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. Happy Valentine's Day, everyone. Enjoy your cards.